Hi everyone, myself Pavan Kumar Yogi from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT, Phuket, Jaipur. Today I record a video lecture on power system planning. Unit first. Today we discussed about load forecasting. We know the electricity is necessary for the every everyone. So the load forecasting is necessary for the industry or power utility companies. So the load forecasting is the estimation for future load by an industry or utility company. There are so many applications of load forecasting like energy purchasing and generation, load switching, contract evaluation and infrastructure development. Load forecasting is a difficult task. We know that there is so many complications for load forecasting. First, because the load series is complex and exhibits several levels of seasonality, the load at a given hour is dependent not only on the load at the previous hour, but also on the load at the same hour on the day with the same denomination in the previous week. Secondly, there are many important variables that must be considered, especially weather related variables, because the electricity demand is depend on the weather condition. These are the types of load forecasting. Basically, load forecasting is three types: short term load forecasting, medium term load forecasting, and long term load forecasting. It is classified according to their duration. Short term load forecasting duration is 1 hour to 1 week. Medium term load forecasting duration is 1 week to 10 weeks. And long term load forecasting duration is 1 year to 20 years. Now, short term load forecasting. Short term load forecasting period from 1 hour to 1 week, and it is mainly utilized for power system operation studies, losses reduction, voltage regulation, unit commitment, and maximizing the utility revenue in the deregulated environment. High forecasting accuracy and speed, the two most important requirements of short-term load forecasting. Means accuracy and speed are the two important requirement of short-term load forecasting, and it is important to analyze the load characteristics and identify the main factor affecting the load. In electricity market, the traditional load affecting factors such as season, day, type, and weather, electricity price. Short-term load forecasting method. There are some methods for load forecasting. First one is similar day lookup approach. Next one is regression based approach, time series analysis, artificial neural network, expert system, fuzzy logic system. First, we discussed about similar day lookup approach. Similar day approach is based on searching historical data of days of 1, 2, or 3 years having the similar characteristic to the day of forecast. The characteristic include similar weather condition, similar day of the week or date. The load of the similar day is considered as the forecast. Instead of taking a single similar day, forecasting is done through linear combination or regression procedure by taking several similar days. The trend coefficient of the previous years are extracted from the similar days, and forecast of the concerned day is done on their basis. Independent variable are usually weather related such as temperature, humidity, wind speed. Slope coefficient measure the sensitivity of the variable, that how they change with the independent variable. Measuring how significant each independent variable has historically been in its relation to the dependent variable. The future value of the dependent variable can be estimated. In the regression based approach, the future value of dependent variable can be estimated. Time series analysis. Time series forecasting is based on the idea that reliable predictions can be achieved by modeling pattern in a time series plot and then extrapolating those patterns to the future. Using historical data as input, time series analysis fit a model according to seasonality and trend. Time series approach are not widely used for energy industry forecasting. Means time series analysis is not used by the energy industry forecasting and power utility companies because they typically do not take into account other key factors such as weather forecast. Artificial neural network. Artificial neural network are still at very early stage electronic model based on the neutral structure of the brain. We know that the brain basically learns from the experience. In neural network, basic element is the neurons. Neurons get input from some sources, combine them, perform all necessary operation and put the final result on the output. In artificial neural network, the neurons perform all necessary operation and then provide the result of the output. Medium term load forecasting. Medium term load forecasting span the period from 1 week to several weeks. It is mainly utilized for predicting the necessary power to purchase or sell from other neighboring network, inter-tie exchange power, and also the fuel required by the utility in the near future.